Okay, so this is just a quick video. So what I want to do is just automate my Yay install. So when I install a new arch, I usually have to afterwards install Yay, and it's a bit of a slip, so I don't want to do that. So I just created this little script that I can just run and it installs it. But I've included Paru as well, so you can have a choice. Either you install Yay or Paru, whichever one you choose. Paru is a bit newer, it's written in Rust, so it's a bit more secure and more optimized when it comes to memory. Right, so let's just run. So I just have to chmod. Chmod is come on, I can't talk and type. So chmod is script yay paru.sh. Okay, there it is. And now to run it, you just run it normally. /yay paru.sh. So it's gonna update your system first. So it's built in there to check for updates. So it's good to update your system, obviously. And then it's gonna give you the choice between the two. So this is gonna. So this is a new arch install. Okay, it's actually done. Wow, that was quick. Right, so one is Yay, two is Paru. It's got a little bit of explanation here what AORs are. So Yay and Paru is AORs. It's community repositories where you can actually get more applications. So with Arch, the default is Pacman. The default package manager is Pacman. And then if you install Yay, you can have so much more applications. Anyway, something like that. So one will install Yay and two will Paru. So that's pretty straightforward actually. So it creates all the dependencies. It gets the Git installations ready and the folders and all of that. So you don't have to do nothing. Okay, so that is that. So if you want to install Paru, just run the script again. It will check for updates again. And then just choose two. So let's just see. So I'm just gonna right, so installs Paru, but Paru takes forever, so I'm not gonna really run to the end. So that's basically the script. Straightforward. So yeah, good.